Welcome. If you're looking to update the title of the group owner in your Telegram group using the latest PC app update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process, making it quick and easy to give your group owner a custom title that stands out. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the group you want to edit. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar and select the group where you are the owner. With the group open, look to the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control everything from permissions to group info. Now, find and click on the Administrators section. Here you'll see a list of all admins, including yourself as the owner. Click on your profile in the list. This is where you can manage your own settings as the group owner. Once you've selected yourself, look for the field labeled Custom Title. This is where you can enter a new title that will appear next to your name in the group. Type in the title you want, whether it's founder, boss, or something more creative. It's completely up to you. After you've entered your new custom title, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the window. Your new title will now be visible to all group members right next to your name whenever you post or appear in the member list. And that's it. You've successfully changed the group owner's title in your Telegram group on PC. This small change can help personalize your group, clarify roles, or just add a bit of fun to your community. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your fellow group admins.